Well, I be thanking you for drawing this ship with me. You have a terrific voyage, and we'll see you in the next drawing tutorial.
What was that?
That was not bad.
Get out. Give me back my chair.
I don't think I deserve that.
He deserved it. Hi, I'm Jesse, and we have a really creative God. And he's made all kinds of amazing animals and places. One thing I really enjoy doing is drawing what God created. I'm Jesse. Let's get drawing. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me again. We'll be drawing a ship today. First of all, this will be a ship in the ocean. So we'll start off with the front of the ship. Then you want to draw the side like that. And of course the back. And we'll make it come up like this. Come out. Kind of like a pirate ship. We want to draw a big mast. We'll draw the sails, kind of like this. Kind of go like this. And we'll draw another one. Draw another thing here. A little bit smaller. We'll draw one more right up here. This one kind of be like a triangle. Now we'll make some cannons. Make some ports on the side, like this. We'll put a window over here. And we'll make a rudder. Now, we'll draw these ripples in the ocean. Some like that. Maybe draw a few lines on the side of the ship, like the wood.
Draw the other part of the ship, just a little bit there. And now, put the sun up here. Like that. And I think we're pretty much ready to start coloring. So let's get a nice blue color for the ocean. Deep blue color. And start coloring that in, just like so. Now we'll get a bright yellow color for the sun. And we'll make it come out like this, radiating out. Then we'll get a bright blue color for the sky. A nice soft blue. And once we get the sky filled in here, then we're going to come over and we're going to get a nice brown color. We're going to start coloring in the ship. Ships aren't always brown, but most of the time they're a brown color. Although you can color your ship black or any number of colors. Now we're going to get a gray color. We're going to color in these cannons on the side. We can get a yellow color. We can color this window over here. And we can color around these cannons. And with that, I think this ship is done. Well, I really love how this ship turned out. Thank you so much for joining me and drawing with me. I really enjoy... No. Until next time, bye for now. See you soon. Next video. What? It's harder than that. Shush, 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 shush.
It's not. Honestly, it's not.
You wait right here. Just wait right there. Don't. Ah! I need to lubricate my vocal cords.
No, I'm just... It's not the voice.
Is this the wrong channel?
This is the wrong channel.
Focus. I'm gonna be like most of the other YouTubers in about 5 seconds. Don't forget to like and I love the drawing with you, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Well, that pretty much wraps this video up. I really enjoyed drawing with you today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.